246 species in genus Eremophila. Eremophila, my love affair with Australia's desert jewels. The Australian outback. A land of harsh beauty, of scorching sun and swirling dust. It's a place where only the toughest survive. And among the hardiest of the outback's inhabitants are the Eremophilas, a diverse genus of over 270 species of flowering plants. I first encountered these resilient beauties on a research trip to Western Australia, and I was immediately captivated. Their vibrant flowers, ranging from fiery reds and oranges to delicate pinks and purples, provide a stark contrast to the muted tones of the arid landscape. But it wasn't just their beauty that drew me in. Eremophilas possess a unique resilience, a tenacity that allows them to thrive in conditions that would cripple most other plants. This combination of beauty and toughness, of fragility and strength, is what makes them so fascinating to me. A diverse and adaptable genus. Eremophilas belong to the Scrophulariaceae family, also known as poverty bushes or emu bushes, are endemic to mainland Australia. They've adapted to survive in some of the most inhospitable environments on Earth, from the arid deserts of Western Australia to the rocky outcrops of the Flinders Ranges. This adaptability is reflected in the sheer diversity of the genus. Some Eremophilas are prostrate ground covers, hugging the earth to conserve moisture. Others are towering shrubs, their branches reaching towards the sky. Their leaves, too, display remarkable variation. Some are tiny and needle-like, reducing water loss through transpiration. Others are large and velvety, covered in fine hairs that trap moisture and reflect sunlight. This diversity isn't just visual. Eremophilas also exhibit a wide range of growth habits and ecological roles. Some species are crucial food sources for native fauna, their flowers attracting nectar-feeding birds and their fruits providing sustenance for small mammals. Others play a vital role in soil stabilization, their deep root systems preventing erosion in windswept areas. A riot of color and form. One of the most striking features of Eremophilas is their incredible floral diversity. The flowers come in a dazzling array of colors, from the deep crimson of Eremophila maculata to the vibrant yellow of Eremophila glabra. The shapes of the flowers are equally varied, ranging from tubular and trumpet-shaped to open and bell-like. Many Eremophila flowers are adorned with intricate patterns and markings, further enhancing their beauty. Some species, like Eremophila nivea, have flowers covered in a fine, white fuzz, giving them a soft, ethereal appearance. Others, like Eremophila paislei, have flowers with striking stripes and blotches, creating a bold, almost psychedelic effect. This incredible diversity in flower color and form is a testament to the evolutionary pressures that have shaped the genus. Eremophilas have evolved to attract a wide range of pollinators, from bees and butterflies to birds and even small mammals. The unique characteristics of each species' flowers are perfectly adapted to attract their specific pollinators, ensuring the continuation of the species. Eremophilas in my garden. As a passionate gardener, I couldn't resist the temptation to introduce Eremophilas to my own garden. Despite living in a more temperate climate than their native habitat, I found that many species thrive with a little extra care. They require well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine, and they're surprisingly drought-tolerant once established. My garden now boasts a small but growing collection of Eremophilas. I have the silvery-leaved Eremophila nivea, its white flowers glowing against the deep green foliage of neighboring shrubs. I also have the vibrant Eremophila maculata, its red flowers attracting a constant stream of honey-eaters. Growing Eremophilas has been a rewarding experience. They're low-maintenance plants that provide year-round interest with their unique foliage and stunning flowers. But more importantly, they serve as a constant reminder of the beauty and resilience of the Australian outback, a place that holds a special place in my heart. A partial list of Eremophila species. The genus Eremophila is incredibly diverse, with new species still being discovered. See full list at monsteraholic.com.